So this car came to us kind of in fair ugly shape. No motor, no tranny as a roller. So I had a fresh engine with low miles, low kilometers on it. And I decided to put that in there with a 2-speed power glide, floor shift, a B&M ratchet shifter, kind of whatever they put in hot rods. The interior is cream right now. All the back end is in really decent shape. Door panels are fair. We were thinking black leather seats just because it's a little bit more feasible when I'm building the car instead of doing original recover. So anything else after that, that's anybody else's issue. The back seats and panels can be colored to match the front seats, but I kind of give the contrast. The black leather and the chrome console and stuff might look pretty hot in there anyway, so. But that's an ongoing issue. Black primer is because I want to put that tangerine copper on top, and it'll be a nice little pop feature instead of having the gray undertone. It'll be deeper, richer, a little bit more. There's a lot of pearl in that color too. The diffs, I got a few cages for it. I think it's a pretty low diff in there. Either 373s or 355s, which is all around nice for a little jumper. But other than that, it's just ongoing, and we're gonna try to get new tail lights for it. You know, make it look like a decent ride when it's all done. Other than that, we're just gonna keep on it. Ready to roll? Like the car? Good day everyone, this is LeMans Sport 71. Been ongoing project. Quarter panels did not come, not waiting, so we just handmade sheet metal and welded it all in. The mud work is done, so I'm just gonna prep and start priming.